The two nearest harmonics of a tube closed at one end are 220 Hz and 260 Hz. What is the fundamental frequency of the system? So basically here we have a closed tube closed at one end, and we have the two nearest harmonics at 220 Hz and 260 Hz. So basically one harmonic is like this, and we have the second harmonic like this. Then this is lambda by 4, and this is lambda by 2, and this again is lambda by 4. How? This is a one complete lambda, a whole wave. This is half of a lambda, lambda by 2, and this part from here to here is lambda by 4, 1/4 of a lambda. So we are given that lambda by 4 corresponds to 220, and lambda plus lambda by 4 corresponds to 260. Sorry, lambda by 2, 260. So lambda by 2 we can say corresponds to 260 minus lambda by 4, and lambda by 2 corresponds to 260 minus, we have the value of lambda by 4 here, which is 220, which is 40 is lambda by 2 Hertz. This value is in Hertz. This is frequency. We have to find the fundamental frequency, and we know that the fundamental frequency in a closed tube, this is the wave, and it is lambda by 4. This is the fundamental frequency. We want to find the value of lambda by 4 is equal to n naught, and we have the value which is corresponding to lambda by 2. Then the value of lambda by 4 would be half of lambda by 2, which is half of 40, which is 20 Hertz. So here we have the answer.